Hi everybody, welcome back to CasaVive. Today we're going over how to use the squat rack and how to get us set up for our front squats and our back squats using a squat rack. First things first, I'm going to position the bar so that it's around shoulder to chest height. What this does is it lets me come underneath and push the bar up off of the stands safely. Okay, so if I do this and I'm too low, it'll be hard to get that bar up. It'll be hard to position myself underneath. If it's too high, I'm not actually going to be able to stand up enough to get the bar off of the stands. Starting out for my back squat, I'm going to come in and I like to here place my hands. I use the markings on the bar to make sure that my hands are even. And I'm going to bring my body underneath. And I'm bringing the bar onto the back of my shoulders, okay, not onto my neck, just below the neck, onto the back of the shoulders. And before I lift up, I'm going to go knuckles up to the sky, and I'm pushing my elbows forwards. So that's going to help me stay really nice and engaged to keep my upper body safe as we push up. So from here, I have knuckles up, elbows forwards. I'm going to make sure my core is braced and push up, straight up out of the stance. From here, I'm going to take a step back. And now I'm going to do my squat. So I'm screwing my heels in, driving those hips back, knees open like we talked about before, and then pushing right back up. Once I'm done my set, I'm going to take a big step back in. I'm coming all the way until my weight touches the squat rack. And then I'm going to come and let it come down. I'll come out from underneath and then try to stand back up. Okay, we never want to try and push that weight over our head back to the bar. From here now, let's do our front rack. So really similar, I'm going to come in, I'm going to place my hands first, make sure I'm even, and I'm coming underneath, putting the bar right around my collarbone, okay? Depending on you and how you do your front squat, it might go above, it might go a little bit below your collarbone. That's all right. We're coming underneath, and from here, shoot those elbows forwards. Strong abs, standing tall, take your step back. We're going to do our squat, heels in, knees out. When we're done, same as our back squat, we're going to step all the way in and then bring that weight down to the stands. If you have any questions, comment below. Try it out and let us know how it goes.